what are their goals, what are their needs, and what are their pain points. And on the basis of these three things, you will be able to frame your whole conversation, and that will help you. So you should find out कि किस तरह का मैं बना सकता हूँ, because every call is different from previous call, or every presentation is different from previous presentation at the opening. Okay, then there comes engagement. Engagement means like you have let them open up. Now you should engage in between. Like you need to know more about them. You need to dig them more into that. Suppose if they have asked about their pain points, suppose they say ki, I'm struggling in my career, I want to change my job. So you can dig more in that. Okay. So what like you can easily ask what impact it is making in your life if you are not able to achieve your goals, and what impact it can make on your family if you are not able to achieve your goals. And you can similarly at the same time you can show them a brighter side, like saying if this training can help you to change your thinking, change your decision taking ability, what impact it will make in your life. At the same time you are taking them into their pain points, like you are letting them to think on that. If they are not able to achieve that, what impact it will have in their life. And at the same time reversing, changing the question and giving them a brighter side, like if this training is going to help you or support you, how it will change your life. So in the same time he will be able to think about the negative side and able to think about the positive side. So it will impact on their decision taking ability. Okay, and in building a rapport and in like building a good relationship with your prospect, a very key element in engagement is mirroring. That is a very key element. Whatever your client or prospect says during the conversation, you just repeat last few lines or statement from it. Suppose if I am in a conversation and my prospect says, by doing this training it can help me grow more in my life, it can help me achieve my goals fast. So you can mirror, it can help you achieve your goals fast. But mirroring the statement, whatever statement they are saying, you just mirror it. Okay, repeat the statement, repeat the last few sentences. This is very good fit. You can say, exactly, this is a good fit. Even if they can give you suggestions like doing these kind of trainings help you grow fast in your career. So you can repeat that, yes, this kind of trainings can help you grow fast in their career. Repeating their statement. When he finished a conversation, and at the same time you can mirror, you can just repeat the last few statements of few lines. In between you can do these things, because it shows ki you are building a rapport, you are building a relationship, you are repeating there. Okay, mirroring also means you should set your tone, or you should set your like posture and your energy with the same जो उनका एनर्जी है वो है आपके प्रोस्पेक्ट का, क्लाइंट का सेम एनर्जी. इफ दे आर लाफिंग यू शुड स्टार्ट लाफिंग, इफ दे आर पुटिंग स्ट्रेस यू शुड पुट स्ट्रेस, इफ दे आर serious you should put some quotes on a serious note. That is mirroring. Just doing what your customer is doing, what your prospect is doing, that is mirroring. See, if your customer is enthusiastic, is high in energy, he's he's good in modulating voice, you should mirror that, you should do that exactly. Because if somebody is not happy, he is very depressed, and you are just doing like you are making more humor, and your energy is high and their energy is not high, you will not match, you will not able to build the rapport. So to build a rapport, mirroring is very important. Mirroring means you just repeat their statements and you just repeat what they are doing. Okay, though they are on phone, but you can sense the energy. So always just do the same thing what your client is doing. Mirror their actions. Try to match their energy, try to match their voice, try to match their thoughts, and repeat in between. जब भी time मिले repeat करो whatever they are saying. And to build a rapport, to get perfect engagement and to build a relationship, there is a one perfect key which I am going to give you. Always repeat their names several times. always repeat their name several times because people love to be called by their names. If I call you sir, 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 this product is good. Yeah, sir, I can understand your pain points. I can understand, sir, this product is going to help you. And if I simply say, suppose Rahul, this product is very good. Rahul, believe you or me, we have trained a lot more peoples, and they have been benefiting by this product, and their life has transformed. And I'm damn sure, Rahul, this training will also help you to transform your life and transform your thoughts. So can you relate by saying sir, sir, sir or ma'am, and by saying Rahul or Shweta and whatever name? What is putting more stress? What is putting more more value to the client's mind? More close relationship with the client, which is building more close relationship. Personal attachment. Which one is creating more personal attachment? If I'm calling by sir or ma'am, or if I'm calling them with their name. This is the key. Then you can use this key while writing emails. If you are writing emails to the prospects, and if you have a little bit relationship with them, not informal, you can use this name policy several times. When I draft proposals and when I draft mails to my clients or my prospects, I use their name several times. That is because I want to develop a personal touch with you. Okay, because if you will feel me like your friend, then only you can buy something from you, because you trust on me. You know I'm like your friend, and I will suggest you. I'm not a salesman. I'm a problem solver, a solution giver to you. So that is very important. Rapport building. Okay, rapport building, and then in engagement, mirroring. Mirroring is very important. You should understand how to mirror. You should practice that. And कैसे practice करेंगे? Whenever you are in call, आप दिन में 100 बार कॉल करते होंगे, कई लोगों से बात करते हैं. Start putting these things. Start mirroring their energy. Start matching their energy. Start repeating their statement, and start building rapport with them. You will see a difference in your daily life also, not only in sales, in your daily conversations also. You can use them in your daily talks also. जो जर्नल टॉक्स हम करते रहते हैं दिन भर में, उसमें भी अगर आप इन चीज़ों को यूज़ करते हैं, डेफिनेटली यू विल सी एन इम्पैक्ट इन योर कॉन्वर्सेशंस. एंड द की ऑफ ऑल दोज rapport building and engagement is voice modulation. So are you able to understand about what voice modulation? कभी पहले सुना है इस टर्म को? ऑफ कोर्स सुना होगा, बट कभी ट्राई किया है इसे?